Yo, what is going on, guys? So in this video I will be showing you how you can get unlimited credits for the IMVU. So I am in the shop right now. I have a lot of credits in my account. So this is the mode APK, this is the IMVU++ mode APK. So to add more credits, all I need to do is to click on any of those packs of the credits. So I will do it right now. And as you can see, I can get unlimited credits very easily using the IMVU mode APK, which is IMVU++. So yes, I've got this mode from the ogappbox.com, as you can see right here, and for me it's the only way to get more credits for the IMVU. And this is the mode APK, IMVU++, IMVU++. So if you guys want to get this mode is working for Android and iOS. I have an iPhone right here, but it also works for any Android device. So if you want to get it, you should go to the browser and find the ogappbox.com and find here the IMVU mode. IMVU++ unlimited credits works on Android and iOS. If it's signed or not revoked, click on here and click the start install button. It will start the downloading process for your device, right, as you may see on the screen, but I don't need to download it again because I already have it on my device. But if you guys have any troubles with downloading from this mode page, you can always check the how to install video tutorial, which is right here, and you will be able to get any app or game from this list. So yeah, let's add some more credits, and this is just working great. So that will be end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed the unlimited credits method for the IMVU with IMVU++ mode APK, and bye.